And I wanted to warm up, practice a little bit before I show up to the party. Practice from a couple of books I have. How to Draw Caricatures by Lynn Redmond. This is a great book for reference. Even if you just look at the cover and practice drawing what you see here, you're going to learn a lot just by seeing how he handles shapes of the face. But he does go through pretty much step by step on how to draw a face and then start exaggerating. So I really get a lot of value out of this book. This other one, Complete Book of Caricature. This is more of a collector book on the art of caricature. It's not a really how to draw caricatures. It's a little bit of biography, notable caricature artists in print publication. This is a great reference too, just to copy the drawings and get an idea of style, because most of this stuff is from magazines and newspaper. I recommend these books highly. It's good practice just to draw right out of the book and fill up your sketch pad. Keep that pencil moving, and we'll talk next time.